If your burglar stories need a laugh, this one's a gem. Let's dive in. So, a robber decided to hit up a celebrity's house. All he knew was the guy's name, Nick, and that he was rich. Sneaking in, he heard a loud voice boom, "Jesus is watching you." He froze, but after a while continued stuffing his sack. As he crept up the stairs, the voice boomed again, "Jesus is watching you." Feeling a bit spooked, he called out, "Who said that?" "Me," a voice replied. The robber spun around to find a small parrot in the corner. "Was that you?" he sighed. The parrot squeaked. "Yep, what's your name?" the robber asked. "Clarence," squeaked the bird. Disgusted, the robber muttered, "Who would name a parrot such an idiot name?" The parrot quipped back, "The same man who owns this house, Nick Jesus." And in that moment, the robber knew he should have done his homework. Moral of the story, always vet your targets, folks.